In this video, we are going to find the integral of x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 1 dx. So just by looking at this, it's not immediately obvious what the antiderivative of x squared times square root of x cubed plus 1 is. So we know we're going to need to use some trick. This looks like a good function for u-substitution. Why do I say that? Well, I see that under the square root sign I have an x cubed, and then on the outside I have an x squared. And what do I know about the derivative of x cubed? It's 3x squared. And so there's a constant out front, but the point is I get an x squared, which I can then probably eliminate with the x squared on the outside of the square root. So maybe that sounds like a lot. Let's try to set this u and do this u-substitution to see what I'm saying. So I'm going to let u equal x cubed plus 1. So then the derivative, du, is equal to 3x squared dx. So if du equals 3x squared dx, what is dx? Well, I can divide both sides by 3x squared, so dx is du divided by 3x squared. Now let's use this to perform a u-substitution. So here, this original integral is equal to x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 1, which we said is u. So this is times the square root of u times dx, which dx is equal to du over 3x squared. So I see that I have an x squared that cancels out, and I can take that constant of 1/3 out to the front. So this is 1/3 times the integral of the square root of u du. Now what do we know about the square root of u? How can I write that in a way that it's easy to take the antiderivative of it? I can write this as something with an exponent. So the square root of u is equal to u to the 1/2. So I'm just going to rewrite this integral as 1/3 times the integral of u to the 1/2 du. Now what is the antiderivative of u to the 1/2? Well, I can use the power rule for antiderivatives. So what does that tell me? That tells me that the integral of x to the n dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. So in our case, n is 1/2. So what does this become? This becomes 1/3 times u to the 1/2 plus 1. That's 3/2 all over 3/2, and then can't forget our plus c. So dividing by 3/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. So this is 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. Now I can factor and multiply by my 1/3. So this becomes 1/3 times 2/3. That's 2/9 u to the 3/2 plus c. Are we done yet? Not quite. Why aren't we done? Well, we started with the integral of something that was in terms of x, and our answer is in terms of u. So we now have to substitute u back into this so that we have an answer in terms of x. So what is u? u is x cubed plus 1. So this is equal to 2/9 times x cubed plus 1 to the 3/2 plus c. And so now this here is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.